Hi people, I hope you're doing well today. Remember the importance of providing a brand experience where people find you on their own. You might be asking yourself, but how can I make the brand's experience more personal? Let me explain. You and I have set up our mobile device to our specific preferences where we expect brands to deliver the experience in a personal way. Mass publications was where we came from. Personal connection is the way forward. These days, my focus is on creating personal connections through direct engagements on social media channels with customers or prospects. These conversations are either creating or damaging the emotional connection to your brand, but drive consumer generated content such as recommendations, social media posts, and sales. How is your brand building personal experiences? Please let me know and leave a comment below, and I would love to engage in a conversation. But remember, as long as the Matterhorn stands, everything is going to be alright. Cheers people, stay safe and have a good day.